Okay, so it's almost 12 at 9, I guess. Yeah, it's almost 12 at 9 and I'm not really feeling sleepy. I don't know, like for past few days I've not been able to sleep. Not because I'm, scrolling or doing something on my phone. It's just कि पता नहीं रात को अलग से पढ़ने का मन कर लेते हैं मेरा. पूरा दिन भर आई बी लाइक हमको पढ़ना है करके हम पढ़ते भी नहीं एंड सडनली रात को अचानक से आई बी लाइक ओके अभी पढ़ाई करेगा ऐसे वाला मूड होता है मेरा पता नहीं क्यों सो आई जस्ट ऑयल माई हेयर एंड आई एम जस्ट गोना लेट इट सिट फॉर अ व्हाइल so after that I'll be taking a bath but before that I have some writing work to do so I'll be doing that yeah and let's see how much I can complete studying मतलब आज रात हम कितना पढ़ सकते हैं दिखेगा and yeah, so yes, welcome to my क्या बोलेगा another random not another it's gonna be a random late night vlog I guess. So yeah, let's study. I think one of the hardest parts about preparing for NEET is constantly being aware of everything जो हम लोग अभी तक नहीं किया है. We sit down to study one chapter, but our mind is already thinking about the five other chapters that we are behind on, the upcoming test, our marks, and how much time we have already lost. And honestly, I'm also one of them. I'm also struggling with this, and I've also not figured everything out yet. Okay guys, I feel like अभी हमको थोड़ा सा नींद लग रहा है. I just took bath and let's do my skincare. So मुझे नींद नहीं लग रहा था बहुत समय तक and I thought कि हम जो आके I will after taking bath I'll drink coffee and I will study और थोड़ा देर के लिए अभी भी हम थोड़ा पढ़ने तो जा रहे हैं but I'm actually so sleepy now. So but I just cannot sleep directly. मेरा बाल को I want my hair to dry इसलिए I'll just do some questions MCQs करेगा and then after that I'll sleep. Gosh इतना ज़्यादा moisturizer. I'll sleep after that. So क्या हुआ जानते हैं दोस्तों? I was taking bath. Or is it because I'm feeling sleepy or पता नहीं what I was doing. When I was taking bath, I needed to put conditioner. Okay, हमको conditioner लगाना था. पता नहीं वो अपना body wash होता है और इतना ज़्यादा body wash लिया है ना. मतलब पता नहीं क्यों इतना ज़्यादा लिया है. जो भी हो body wash इतना ज़्यादा डाला है. उसके बाद body wash को हम अपना बाल में डाल दिया. सोचो मतलब समझ में नहीं आ रहा हम क्या पागल हो रहा था मेरा समझो. I just put it on my hair. पूरा मेरे माथा को ऊपर रख दिया ढाल दिया हम जो and it was so dumb of me. उसके बाद हम पूरा ऐसे मिला भी दिया क्या बोलेगा उसको जो भी हो ऐसे करने के बाद थोड़ा समय के बाद आई रियलाइज कि हम क्या किए. गधा गधा इतना गधा है ना हम क्या करेगा जो भी हो पहले से ही टोनर लगा दिया था. इट वॉज माई मॉइस्चराइजर एंड आई एम यूजिंग दिस पता नहीं एक मॉइस्चराइजर है मॉइस्चराइजर आई बॉट इट few months back and अभी तक ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है क्योंकि हमको ये इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता है. I use it sometimes. Let's put some क्या lotion. This is my favorite lotion. Favorite अब नहीं है whatever. I just love the smell. जो एक black grape का body shop का है. I just love it. कि अभी हम आदत हो गया इससे. I'm used to it. So I just like using it. And yeah, let's get some studying done. And yeah, I was thinking to drink coffee. लेकिन अभी हम कॉफ़ी पीने से हम नहीं उठेगा सुबह ना. Like it's already कितना बज रहा है अभी? It's already 2:30 and I feel like अभी हम थोड़ा सा पड़ेगा क्योंकि I want my hair to dry and after that I will sleep. I will go to sleep. I think the more I go through this preparation, the more I realize that it's not really just about studying. There's this constant pressure in the back of your mind, knowing that there's a huge syllabus, knowing that there's an exam waiting for you, and also knowing that every day matters. And sometimes that pressure actually makes it even harder to start. You sit at your desk, you open your book, and suddenly you're thinking about everything at once. The chapters you haven't finished, and also the questions you got wrong during your test, your last test score, and how much other people have already completed. And before you know it, an hour has passed and you haven't really studied anything. I've done that more times I like to admit. And I think comparison makes it even worse. You see someone studying for 10 hours, someone getting an amazing score, and also someone posting that they finished another chapter, and you start feeling like you're running out of time. But then I remind myself that I'm only seeing a small part of someone else's journey, and I don't know how their preparation started and what they struggled with or what their bad day looks like. And honestly, I don't want to spend these next few months constantly measuring my progress against someone else's. I'm trying to focus on my own desk, on my own books, and my mistakes the things that I can actually control. I know I've wasted time and I know there are things I should have done earlier, and I could sit here and feel guilty all about that. But I don't think feeling guilty will make it even better, so it's not going to help me finish a chapter. So I'm trying something different. Instead of thinking I have so much left, I am trying to think what can I finish today. Instead of thinking about the entire syllabus, I'm trying to focus on the page that's in front of me, and I'm still figuring it out. And you know what, I still procrastinate and I do get distracted a lot, and there are days where I don't want to study. But maybe progress isn't about becoming a completely different person overnight. I mean, everyone can agree with that, I guess. And maybe it's just about, slowly becoming someone who keeps coming back to the desk. Because at the end of the day, I don't need every single day to be perfect. I just need enough good days to eventually get where I want to go. And right now, that's what I'm trying to do: study what I can, fix what I can, and learn from the days that don't go well. Because I still have a dream that I'm not ready to give up on. So yeah, bye guys, and yeah, take care. Okay, everyone, I'm going to bed now, and it's 3:36. So yeah, my hair is almost dry, I guess. I am gonna put some serum. I bought this few days back. इसको हम थोड़ा दिन पहले ही खरीदा है, and I really like the smell, but I don't know if it's really working or not for me. Before I was feeling sleepy, और अभी हमको लग रहा है कि मेरा नींद जो गायब हो गया. But of course I got to sleep क्योंकि कल classes attend करना है. Or I might end up bunking again. I hope I attend classes. So yeah, I better go to sleep now. So that's it. Bye bye. पागल हो गया.